Oh guys, so I'm going to show you how we can use this new GEMMA tree by Google Gemini in order for us to quickly do a keyword research filtering. When it comes to keyword research, let's say for example here, our main keyword will be home insulation. So that's our seed keyword. And if we type it in any keyword tool, so we will always have duplicates or same search intent. So this is what I usually do in order for me to save time. Let's say if I'm going to filter these 12,000 keywords, remove duplicates, remove same search intent, it will take me days or even hours to complete this. But if we are going to use the power of AI, we are going to try using this new GEMMA tree by Google Gemini. I'm going to access GEMMA tree using Google AI Studio. It's free for now, so as you can see here, the model, you can select the GEMMA tree. You can also use Open Router. Here, you can type in GEMMA. So as you can see here, you can choose GEMMA tree, so it's free to use. Here in Open Router, you can also run that locally just by installing Olama. So as you can see, models, if you go to models, you will see GEMMA tree is available as one of the downloadable model. So let's go ahead and continue with this one. Now, if we're going to copy all these keywords, let's start with the first 100. So of course, there will be a lot of duplicate keywords right here and keywords that are not meant to create contents. And if we are going to promote, let's say, this home insulation, and we are going to create affiliate links from Amazon. So you type home insulation here in Amazon homepage, you'll see Bike Shop products here. You can put affiliate links related to home insulation, and you see there that's selling for $299, $169. So now let's go ahead and filter the keywords if we don't want to create singular contents. Now we're going to copy these keywords right here. So these are the keywords at the moment. So what I'm going to do is copy all these keywords right here, paste that to this plain notepad, right like that, along with this prompt that we're going to use in Google Gemma tree for us to filter all this, whatever number of keywords we are going to filter to remove any duplicates, same search intent. And look at this, we have the following criteria. So remove duplicates, remove same search intents, remove the same meaning, terms that search photos, terms with near me, terms that search PDF. And this one, it will just keep the longest tail version of the keyword. And we're going to paste all our keywords here. So you can't paste 200, 500 if you want to process in one go, especially with those LLM chat platform that can accept large context. Now we're going to try if Google Gemini, Google Gemma tree can handle this. So we're going to copy the prompt along with the keyword list. Now let's go ahead using the actual Gemma tree in Google AI Studio. So here I've selected the model as Gemma tree. So we're going to paste all this right here, including all the keywords. And let's see how Gemma tree is going to process this. Now let's run. So look at this, out of 100 keywords, if you're going to select manually what are the unique keywords right here and remove or filter the keywords that have the same meaning, it will take you hours just for these 100 keywords. Now, if you're going to use AI, so here is the result. So actually out of 100, so Google Gemma thinks that these are the only unique filtered keywords. So we're going to go and paste that right here. And as you can see, you're going to have to do some manual check whether the result that came out are really unique. So as I can see, this unique. So look at this, guys. Cost to replace insulation for 1,000 square foot home, cost to upgrade insulation. So for me, it looks like it's the same, but I'm not sure. Cost to replace or cost to upgrade. I think it's different because replace means you are completely removing the old one. And this one, you're just upgrading, but I'm not sure, guys. Please comment down below if you think this to be the same. And I think you can do that. Now let's process more than 100 to see whether it can accommodate. I'm going to select 300, let's say 300 keywords. So now as you can see, I'm now selecting 300 keywords and I'm going to copy them. Now head over again to my prompt to replace these 100 keywords with this 300 keywords that we are going to process. Now this is the test that we're going to give to Gemma tree if it can accommodate large context. Now let's go ahead to Gemma tree, Google AI Studio, just to make sure that this model is actually running the Gemma tree. So we're can come back and copy this and head over to the actual AI Studio. Now, so I'm gonna open another chat box and make sure poor GEMMA tree selected right here, and let's paste the 300 keywords that we want to be processed. Now hit run. So guys, look at this. It took 79 seconds to process the 300 keywords right here, but it's quite amazing that it's able to process all these 300 keywords and filter them out. So let's see and go ahead how many keywords remain after filtering. So out of 300, now we have left with 259 keywords. So let's just manually or randomly check if GEMMA tree really returned unique keywords, of course, different same search intent keywords after we prompted it. Look at this: Home Depot installation, home installation cost, Home Depot blown-in installation, Home Depot garage door installation. So I think it did a pretty good job. So we are actually pretty sure that these are unique keywords that we can create articles or contents or videos, whatever type of contents you're going to create, and then promote Amazon link. As I mentioned earlier, we can promote different products related to home installation, and with the use of, GEMMA tree in DoYou, we are able to do keyword filtering in 10 times faster than doing that manually. Okay, so this is really helpful, guys, especially when you're processing large number of keywords. So again, guys, you can go ahead and try this method if you are actually struggling doing keyword research and filtering, removing the keyword duplicates. So I'm going to leave this run that you can use and try with the new GEMMA tree. Of course, not only GEMMA tree, you can always try this method in other LLM platforms such as Claude 3.7 or ChatGPT. That's about it, guys. So I hope you get something and learn something from this video. Don't forget to leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. See you in the next one.